there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Beyond the reach of our eyes, there's an entire universe waiting to be discovered. Welcome to the science of the unseen. But even the most powerful light microscopes have a limit. There's a whole microscopic frontier that our eyes, and light itself, simply cannot reveal. Light microscopes use visible light. Electron microscopes use a powerful beam of tiny particles called electrons. Electrons have a much shorter wavelength than light, unlocking much higher resolution and incredible detail. We can achieve extreme magnification, zooming in millions of times to explore structure and function. Inside, a powerful electron gun generates and accelerates a sharp beam of electrons. Instead of glass lenses, these microscopes use powerful magnetic fields to focus and guide the electron beam. The entire process must happen inside a powerful vacuum chamber to prevent the electrons from crashing into air molecules. Scanning electron microscopes create amazing, detailed 3D images of a specimen's surface. See how the scanning electron microscope reveals a landscape of tiny hairs and textured armor that a standard light beam could never catch. Transmission electron microscopes are used to explore the intricate internal structure of very thin samples. Let's look deeper. The transmission electron microscope slices inside to reveal the cell's complex internal machinery. Preparing samples is complex, requiring incredibly thin sectioning or special coatings. A true engineering design challenge. We can explore structure and function right down to individual atoms, unlocking secrets at the ultimate scale. From powerful magnetic lenses to vacuum systems and precise engineering, the electron microscope is truly an engineering marvel. Remember, electron microscopes use electrons and magnetic lenses to unlock extreme magnification. They reveal the nano-scale world, making them an incredible engineering marvel. The visible world is just the beginning. Stay curious and protect the unseen scale. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.